Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I'm going to show you how to propagate a spider plant in water. Yes, spider plants, they make great household plants because, they are pollution controlling. So they absorb the harsh chemicals floating around in your house and they don't need much light. So they are perfect, for indoors. So here I have a shoot that was taken off a mother spider plant and it has all these plantlets growing on it. Some of them have roots like this one and some of them don't have roots like this one or this one. So the one with the roots, they can directly go into the soil and the one which don't have roots can grow in water. We'll cut these off. Yeah, that's it. And then let me just cut these also off. Just make sure your little bit room is there on either side so that it is easy to put them in water. Okay, so that's about it. And I've taken a small pot which is not too wide because if you take a very wide pot, what will happen is that all these plantlets will just float on them, and then eventually the leaves will rot. So you don't want that. And if it is too narrow, you'd probably not be able to put it inside. So just take a planter which is like 2 to 3 inches wide, and then take your biggest like this one and just put it on top of this so that all the leaves are resting on the sides. So now rest of the plantlets, then they can basically rest on top of this big plantlet. So just place them like this, and of course I'll have to fill a little more water here, but basically you just put the plantlets in like this and that's it. These are too small, probably will not fit, and your arrangement is ready. And just to make sure that they don't move, what I'll do is that I'll put some pebbles. So I'll put these pebbles in and some of the roots will be supported by these pebbles and they'll not move. So that's about it. And now I don't even have to fill more water because the water level has come up. So that's it. And you just leave it there inside your home where it gets some filtered light, because if it doesn't get any light, then it will not grow. And you have to change the water once a week, otherwise algae will form. And then the roots will rot and the plant will not survive. But other than that, it will grow. If it becomes too large, maybe you want to take it out and then pot it in the soil, or maybe just move it to a planter. That's all. So I guess that's about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. This video, press the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.